Okay, here we are the next morning. It's about 10:30 or so on February 6th. We've had a full night of snow. You can see a lot of the snow on the trees is really weighting the branches down. It's about 18 inches or so now. You can compare this to the other video where it showed the bare sidewalk. As I walk on the snow, I'm sinking down about 10 inches or so, and then if I look down, there is about 6 inches of kind of slush that I'm not sinking into. This is the back porch area, and if I zoom in, you can see down here in the orange, that is an 18-inch tube that the cable goes under the ground on, so you can compare the depth of the snow on the back porch to that 18-inch tube. Walking around towards the front, you can see it looks like they haven't been by to plow the road yet. But pretty much most of the cars are buried up to at least half their tires, if not a little bit more. So anyway, that's it for now.